omwanchu mulina nda sentunde yegani igontagete nande turakwana nori omutang'ani korete story yegana nakia igete nakibanyoranete nakiyarenge mpaka ikaba story ya kira so mtandao asensemo ya Facebook ine na into Inka TV tukabanyora inyora yegani Inka TV tiga turaigu na nakiyarenge mbiyore
Mbiando murari.
Asamarieta
Duncan Mugabe Mumanyi.
Duncan naki skagochaiga naki igete mbaka yokanyore story yiga yo mo ye familia yiga
Story ena nyorete gwetera umongina bomochioyo oyoro mochokoro wasemaro mochokoro ani gwete tu mumana ro ku Duncan Mugabe obere gago trend ebinto abantu nababa machoka bachandikire ani akaigo akaretu na no mwamatoe paka gocha minto acha konte story yo
kero kwa nyebegete Facebook did you expect egente getani this way?
Yeah, I didn't expect it. No wanchani na Inka TV kaingiria paka gente kyabere mna kyabere ka successive. Espono ega bindom biabe lakini intro ikerenga ngangeri to abwate system. Ekyagera to the same to tabwate on message komokonya to the same anyole school fees myakene na tatu mwabori ndanyore maliogo anyole gusukiri no bugima bwae to obugima bwae. Ege ndongo saba abarigereria mukunu no moyo mwakunu kuru mutang'ani paka twanyore school fees ya same ya 2 years. And musuki kuna nyasaye yo basuketi tonyara semo kore school na tatu mabochire nyagitali tatu mabuna rwarteka natekerun noni ndagera mito maliogo to konyu konya tubwati ndagere ani okwa chinguru that's why na tatu mabakunya maliogo nguru nchira cha bado singijo maliogo meta ko strong kubwa singijo ndagere tayo nateke none amabere nateke amatunda ebituma mbio naitoko basaba kimukunu moyo wanje toro family to make changes at least to make sai
Alright, asante sana
mbiama
mnasinga kichao Asamarieta
nchenkuru emanyanchiri chenomo machoge seitere nyansara
nakikwanya rote story yega mbaka ukaba wa part of the thing that is happening here.
Story yena beta tag da se woli ani ya Facebook na Duncan Mugabe na incheka na nyora ni nganchite gokonya abantu ngakira baba danisim tukarose WhatsApp group tukachaka ku invite abantu tukachaka ko share link tukachaka gwakira abantu kisimi nyasaga nchaka kuna abantu bo gwanchukuya twabire togokonya namba kalitukulia lero
asofa skuru kimwanyorire mo tete kuira omwana shema
sengencho shem ntendre yarenge a dream school yaye na ne kiralo kora matemnera atagete kogenda na nero ya murangireti na ina beta admitted yo no HBS chaburi takara tenenake bono twaro chiganto kunyara kumurusiyoro because that is his dream school so no tutete kumuira nigochinaende
kero kende maybe omurire naro tete kumanya na is it your first time gutachaga iga gose kwarachire?
It's not my first time na achire iga kabere na lero iga ni lya gatatu nande will not be the last time gochaga iga ninchembe gingocha.
The situation you found when you came, is it the same situation you're seeing or say kurumwa chete you have tried you people to make a difference?
Difference to make it nana so far no go koru mwana shemanya ariko nyora basics biriata gete ntora make bigger differences because ntore limited in finances lakini nyene ndagira twagorire but ntora akora gento kere kia long term. The only thing to akora kere long term no go taka kuira ni mwana shemwe school of which to taranyore fees yons. Our dream was to nyore school fees ya 4 years but so far we've managed to nyore school fees ya 2 years so bado ntobwate egasi na inde ntobwate birengerelio onye no kubwa kwali ngito nyore chipesa mugako tumuri nyagitari because the condition ya gero one thing nende ka to buri nyagitari nyoro kurwali gukuya and then tonyore tomonyore no ni ndagira arari for long term ju umuntu kunyoma lyo natakira aragiribia na inde nyasaye kara twanchira to in excess na boto kunyara ku renovate no ne nyomba egere na barabona omwana uli ndomoke uli school na yetomokorera some shopping shem na watu mwana mwaburi class 2 at least gatoko batika ne smile. Service to human is service to God.
Talking of that mwana yo class 2, are you still having the same having the same program go say litangani the program you want no mwana yo iga again the school you ende mayo kushuka baadaye go say you are just fixing it all together?
Our main agenda shemwa in the school ekero shemwa achire school well wishers nende toise konya twanyori in excess buna nateba na libinte ibintu bigo come in toise konya twabire limited na botokorera mbiribire more basic buna bono kuiro mwa kanyagitari kumugorera ndagera at least tore bibire more basic according na the finances turabe tugutwara.
Sachinde mwakorire byonse mwakorire. Is this your last project mwe tokora gokonya abantu gose we expecting more from you guys, and I see you young people?
Eyetego chikobe yo moelio na ntego chikobe ntangani still ntubate esenge nchoba kongu tibuli koera asu mwakira lituko ntubate umurubeli ntwanchite gokonya na ende ntubata basani ntumaite batwanjete ntobe togo konya asto kunyara buna nyasara to sesenie.
All right, maybe Sachinde kero montate tukonyoro osuko tumobokonyi kegera a social media babiri bakuburi sana ngaitora konya gochie Sachinde bakarwe kinamba kitali kirachio Sachinde bakarwe some utatanishi ya kutuma pesa. The main number to send this money wasobo konyo boiga ngochie
inamba bonige tugotumika gusangala chibesa igere 0705 690 559 0705 690 559 nende twasabire bali bonsi murakunu no moyo bwogwancha efamily netakire obokonyi bwabene wetanishe mukogende school kakitobwatesi tonyara gupute smile mbuya gokonyo omonto ekera ali moyo kubwekera kwete twasabire munyara gotoikange nandi munyara kogendera gusabira ni family ye nandi munyara nyasaba kunema bechi destiny connector chi family ye togendera se safari ye tuganyite kuirana kwa Yesu Kristo biamon
ngoro bana de nyawara
bana nyawara ni kwanyorete story iga oga jeep in asa manganaye.
Number 1 bana de nyawara yonde chairman ya Masai ba mochoke chache tobate youth council tobate meeting Kyogoro with our patron or area MP Alpha Miruka. We invited youths. Duncan Mugabe agateba the issue of this boy. He explained buna ajite ko manye family with the issues they have. So buna atoletera and the patron was there, who is the MP, toka forward oje sale. Agateba is going to work on the matter urgently. But no, we were surprised. Tekere skule ko yoru still kanyara umwanafunzi okale isiku. So we had to work with a lot of urgency. Toka igore WhatsApp group, toka ebereria basani, we shared the links, abantu bakacha. We started contributing paka wanga to raise chibesa cha 2 years. Still we are looking forward ko raise chibesa che miaka ibere yo mweli mwanafunzi akole school.
Sachinde matamanio yenu usa matamanio yako ni yapi kwa hii familia?
Number 1 intagete we ensure with my capacity asenda ikere that to ebereria abantu buna 9-20 to bwaterane umwanafunzi oyo abe in a position yo gukora amasomo aye a high school from 1 paka from 4 without a lot of distractions, because buna toleiga into etu ale kominyoki buna toleiga it's about education ekogera toko run this initiative. Otherwise everybody know the education is the greatest gift you can give to somebody who is young. Inka TV mashabiki Inka TV ntaite ko bakera mbuye mono because I know abantu nabange batumira chibesa WhatsApp tinko nyara ko bakwana kero monta serie, but I thank Honorable Mititi was there una togo chaka paka to ikire iga sent his contribution paradiso na abande ntanyara go thank overwhelmingly ntaite ko bakera mbuye mono nandi nko baaji togenderere kuruo bokonye, because number 1 the health status ya tatu mwabo shem, it is one thing ntotagete torenga omwana ogako gende school to atigaire a group way are we able to raise the funds chikogera tatu mwaba ego enda nyagitari I medical attention again to kende ngina koroyo, because nabora anyora abantu babere busy and this thing can come once and for all. Ntotige babo mwabo in a good situation I go none biasara koran nsangine that shem na mwagero school ngo sebesa ya mubule maybe pocket money babo mwabo nali na capacity yo kumutumira kende.
Right, talking of that, the MP area watato mwengenere ere osoiri koboko konde igago konya e family.
Omo chumbe o machoke chache Alpha Miruka. He promised this family nkonya konyale, but it is unfortunate. Na baro nyore he has a lot of issues to address to. But tendere we are getting information na to me basari ya 5,000. Una wana togo romano tendere chiba njata ngana 5,000. We thanking for that. Na ande toko mwajiga. Omwana bunze obunako bekwe school abo ekwe basari scheme
akwa ukero mwaka chibesa chiko support this education because it's from form 1 paka form 4 tarwe chibeji sana arwete aikati kero ekinege ento atakeira kebugate buno omo apart from kwa omo chumbe nere buno alfa miruko konye tu agasoma nere tigamento mwanafunzi oyo agendere school ya paka mwisho.
All right.
Yes.
Biamana so hotwachinga kuna mwana into.
Biamana.
All right. Mwanchi muri Inka TV kegana watochi korana to make sure na mwana oyo iga uchire school, so we are headed together the school to na nero wekro school biega nyura gete seni kiao na mbeye mo keliora igene asamangana amaya.
Konyoyo mino karote, konyoyo mino karote, nayo sese ni wewe go korote, nayo sese ni wewe go korote, yare kyo wasimika mama na kyo kogasa, yare kyo wasimika tata na kyo kogasa, korama yo utakorosa, korama yo
Eni boto guate, kakimbosa, evinte vito guate, kakimbosa, onyeto konya bari bari beito, kakimbosa, onyeto konya bana beito, kakimbosa, onyeto konya basani beito, kakimbosa, onyeto konya amata yaito, kakimbosa. Romo chango asoko nyara konye kanisa gaki asoko nyara konye kinyoro gaki asoko nyara eba kamu asomo tomoda wasoa oboroti weigoro ko wengami weta aseke bao kesindani
konyoyo mino karote, konyoyo mino karote, nayo sese ni wewe go korote, nayo sese ni wewe go korote, yare kyo wasimika mama na kyo kogasa, yare kyo wasimika tata na kyo kogasa, korama yo utakorosa, korama yo konyoyo mino karote, konyoyo mino karote, nayo sese ni wewe go korote, nayo sese ni wewe go korote, yare kyo wasimika mama na kyo kogasa, yare kyo wasimika tata na kyo kogasa, korama yo utakorosa, korama yo utakorosa.
Eni boto guate, kakimbosa, evinte vito guate, kakimbosa, onyeto konya bari bari beito, kakimbosa, onyeto konya bana beito, kakimbosa, onyeto konya basani beito, kakimbosa, onyeto konya amata yaito, kakimbosa, romo chango asoko nyara konye kanisa gaki asoko nyara konye kinyoro gaki asoko nyara eba kamu asomo tomoda wasoa oboroti weigoro ko wengami weta aseke bao kesindani
Konyoyo mino karote, konyoyo mino karote, nayo sese ni wewe go korote, nayo sese ni wewe go korote, yare kyo wasimika mama na kyo kogasa, yare kyo wasimika tata na kyo kogasa, korama yo utakorosa, korama yo utakorosa. Konyoyo mino karote, konyoyo mino karote, nayo sese ni wewe go korote, nayo sese ni wewe go
Bernard March. We got to know this case. We had a meeting with the area. So we came together, we decided to open our WhatsApp group to solicit funds so that the boy can go to school. Good enough, we've been able to collect some good money, which when we came here, we confirmed the fee structure. We were able to know that the money we collected will cater for 2 years.
That's good.
Yeah, so that again we go back, we tell our members this is what we've done. Maybe we request them so that we can also raise the money for the rest of the years. So ours is to thank the school because this is where the boy came the first day of his admission. Is KCPE, you are admitted. We have information that maybe his box is here and some other items. So we deemed it fit, as I advised even the alumni of this school, advised that this is a good school in terms of performance and discipline. So we decided unanimously that let us bring him here so that with your assistance and us and other well-wishers, he will start his foundation and maybe perform well in his KCSE.
Thank you for that, Mr. George Boro, the principal Tendere. I really thank you for your gesture. In very few cases do we find people who volunteer to help people who have no way out. And I think the boy will be serious enough to pay you back by being disciplined in school and doing well. Because in the same way you are doing the community, he should in the future do the same for others who will have the same problems. Because these problems will continue so long as human beings are there. You may find at one time you are helping him today, he will not help your child directly, but another child somewhere. So I wish he would be serious enough so that when he leaves here, you have a record. Somebody you help has become a doctor, has become an engineer, and is helping the community, and can even speak out to others to actually show that your work was well done. So that is why I'm saying I would thank you a lot. And the boy must pay you back. There to look after him, then he will be somehow free. So I wish to become so disciplined in school so that he doesn't create problems and work so hard to pay back by passing exam very well. So that he joins a profession that can be useful to the community and be ready to help others in the future the way he has been helped. So that what you have started does not end here with him. It continues to help other people in the future. Thank you for that. Otherwise, you are welcome. The school is free to admit. And normally, if in anything arises like in discipline, that's when we do away with him. Because within discipline, no person will be there, no success will be there. So we'll be very careless with him if he becomes indisciplined. So that one will not listen even if you have paid money. So he has to be advised well. Otherwise, thank you.
Thank you so much. I'll invite my colleagues so they may have a word. Duncan, after he speaks, then we'll invite Emma, and then the guardian, so that, and before they come in, we will request so that we be guardians. Those who have come here, the facilitator, the three of us, you allow us to be part of the guardians, so that we'll be coming here to see how the boy is doing in school. Thank you so much. Mugabe, you can come in.
Just happy. I appreciate for this school for allowing us to come again. I don't have much to speak, but I'm just happy for this school.
Mine is just to thank Tendere Fraternity for first admitting the boy minus even school fees. That shows that you really care about, you really have humanity. And then let this not be the last case. At least when you get such a case, wahudumie tu, wahurumie. Now, this being the boy's dream school, we're only praying for him for good health. Na akue mtoto anaogopa Mungu zaidi. Asome zaidi, aogope Mungu zaidi. Na nyinyi tutashirikiana. And then tumemanage kupata 95,000. I think for 4 years tutakuwa na balance ya kedo 45,000, right? Tukifika mahali pia tukose hata nyinyi. Ile tu upendo mlikuwa nao from the word go. Tunaweza omba hiyo upendo extend. You can even help us clearing the balance because even us, we are well wishers. Now we'll be forced to force you also to be well-wishers. If we lack, we don't expect him to go back home because that will be a feast for 1 year and some balance. We'll still come back. And then if kutakuwa na wale wengine, there are some Thomases who can't trust us with funds, they may wish to pay directly to the school. If they do so, we'll urge you to give us the report back so that we'll be knowing we'll be having a balance of how much. But if at the end of the day they don't show up and this balance still remains, we are trying to imagine, even if in the recent future, fees itaongezeka, sisi hatutaongezewa because ours itakuwa ndani bado, you will be using it. So we are only urging if, but we know tutapata. Lakini if honestly tutakosa hiyo balance, tutarudi kwenu na msitufukuze, tutawaomba pia na tutawalazimisha kwa upendo wa Mungu mkwe well wishers pia tusaidiane hiyo balance. Yeah. But meantime, wacha Mungu awabariki na Mungu aendelee kubariki walimu wa Tendere.
Thank you so much. So, as we promised, we've delivered the boy to school. We've done admission. We've handed him over to the school. So we wish him well here. And we urge the well-wishers to continue giving because we've paid fees for 2 years. We want to come back here and clear the fees for the rest of the 2 years. That is from 3 and 4. Thank you so much for the cooperation.
We appreciate the well-wishers who have sponsored Shem Masese to be in school for the 2 years, and we ask and request that they can do so for the 3rd and the 4th year, and if possible, they can assist the many other orphans that we have in this school. Thank you very much.
We thank you, and anyone who is willing to help, Tendere is along Kisii Kilgores Road, it's Tendere Boys Boarding High School. Thank you so much.
Twekire omwana school bono asa tigakonya omwana oyo anyara kura school ya no murembe tugakire school ya Tendere mbiamono batwarigani boka bono twa mwana obera admitted ngokakira bagusibo CPS babete mbiamono. Thank you.
Ira ne iringa mbiamono twakobire na baminto omwana twamoikire Tendere twamarerio mwalimu bantu baminto ate mwabeta bali mwasoetie meguko nyasaba seseni nande gendererago no mukio yoyo mbiamono.
Nenchi neira nere mbiamono twakobire omwana twamwikire skuru bali gake barwete okonya na nto gosaba sis mwaru sithande bira no mbiamono gakamoranyi.